Hey guys, I'm Khushboo and welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming a tutorial on how to paint a cloudy sky landscape. So what all you need is watercolor paper, water, masking tape for taping down your paper so it doesn't move, acrylic color, brushes and towel to wipe your brushes. The first thing you have to do is tape your paper on some board with masking tape and then wet your paper properly with water. Be sure to cover corners as well. And now I am taking black color and applying this on top area. Spread your color nicely in horizontal strokes and create a smooth background. Since paper is wet, color is spreading without any harsh edges. Now mix your color with second one. Here I am using blue color. I am also using mauve color downwards. For the base in the bottom portion, I am using little bit of white and mixing it with orange color. Now the tricky part comes. Take your brush, load it with white color and kind of run it through and create clouds. Blend it in nearby color with help of water. As you move on to the painting, keep adding clouds. I'm also using lighter shade of blue and mauve to create clouds on some area. You can see that I'm kind of creating clouds in the center of the painting. You can create where you want. Now the fun part is stars. For that, mix your white color with water and load your brush with color. For stars, I am using big round brush. Tap your brush on another brush, it will create beautiful stars. Now the first layer is completely dry. We'll highlight some of the portion with glass marking pencils. Here I am using white and yellow color pencil. You can also use watercolor pencils. Run your pencil in a circular motion to create a smooth effect. Now drawing portion comes. You can draw whatever you want. You can also use some picture for reference. After that, fill it with black color. Use your smaller brush for lining. After everything dry, I will highlight some of the area. For that, again I am using glass liners. I'm also going to start a new series on oil pastels, so stay tuned for that. And now we are done. If you liked today's video, please thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye.